Alright y'all, so I just uploaded my video. Today is still Thursday. And I just made myself a little shrimp salad. So this looks so good. This is my first time eating today and it is 4:09. I'm also cooking some asparagus because I didn't want them to go bad. So I need to go ahead and cook these up. So I'm going to eat these too. Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. So we're on our way to At Home. And then I'm gonna drop off my headboard and that picture and that little rose pillow that I have. Dropping that off to my mom's. Y'all know I haven't seen them in about 3 months. So gonna head over there today after we leave At Home. So I'll take y'all in At Home with me. This is my second time going because it's so far away. It's on the west side on Wells Road. I think this is the only one that we have in Jacksonville. So I'm going in here, see what I can find, and I'll take y'all with me.
See, that's what I'm saying, that side, this side, but this side, right?
Yeah.
I went there, I went out over there, a club or something used to be over there.
Yeah, I think that's where the Juicy Crab and Deck Shack old location.
It was a club. I'm talking that light now over there.
I think the club you're talking about is on Wells Road.
No, I'm telling you, we went to a club over there. That's what I'm saying. I remember we turned right or left. We turned right. I didn't go one night. That's what what's his name? Got hit in the head with a bottle.
Turn the light right down. What was the other one that was up here? I think it was Christopher's. That club Christopher's back in the day. It was a little further up. You been there before?
I think I've been there. I might have.
Let you go in until let that many people in.
You look big there. You look pretty big.
You look dark.
The lights on in there.
But I did look it up online. It said it opened at 9 o'clock.
The lights on.
Stuck around my hair. Oh, this smells so good.
Sure.
Freshly washed. Yeah, this is the chair that I want. Okay, y'all, so we made it back from at home. So I just picked up this little wooden bowl, and I'm just gonna add some little pieces in it. This bowl was $40. Then I picked up this wooden tray, and this is what I'm gonna use for my little tea stand. Why? What happened?
Yo, man, can you find stuff?
And then I picked up this little wooden serving tray. Hey. Tony, you say that every time, office, studio, whatever you want to call it. And then I picked up these little bowl fillers. And then these green bowl fillers. Yeah, that's all I picked up from at home. Then I picked up some king crab from Costco's. We picked up some more Scotch Guard because we didn't have enough. And then I stopped by the Asian market. I picked up the tempura udon noodles. These things are so good. To hurry up and do my nails because my nails look full. Some 2 times spicy sauce, ginger, more noodles. I picked up 3. And then when I was at my mom's house, Ryan gave this to me. One of our subscribers sent it over. It's Ray Butter Baby. So she sent both of us one, me and Ryan. So I'm excited to try this. Ryan has had it at his house for a while, and I'm just getting mine. And then what else? Oh, I picked up some more of my favorite wine. And I'm trying another Apothic. This is a Apothic Crush. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. So this is my first time trying this one because y'all know I've done the Apothic Red, Apothic Inferno, and now I'm trying the Apothic Crush. So, y'all, it is super hot outside. So, my brother-in-law is here. He's gonna go ahead and mount the TV, but he forgot his he forgot his stud finder, so him and Tony went to Walmart. It's not Tony's real brother, it's his best friend. So they went to Walmart, and then he's gonna hang up the TV. So I'm so excited to see how it looks. Hopefully we got the right mount because Tony wanted to get one that had the swivel on it. So I wanted the one that just stays to the wall, but Tony wanted the swivel. So hopefully it looks nice. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so sad, but we'll see. Okay, so we got the TV up.
It goes in, comes out this way. And then what it goes down.
Yeah. So we just have to clean it, but it looked good. So now, did you order the things to hide the cords?
No,
Oh, yeah, so we have to get the cord hider or whatever it's called because we got all this stuff, and then I have to get us a little stand to go right here. So we haven't decided which one we're gonna go with yet. And I know you guys have been waiting and you want to see the couch. So here it is. Here's the couch. We got this couch from Wayfair. I'll have the link in the description box for you guys, but this is it. And it's a section, it's a reversible sectional, so you can, you know, push that part to the sofa to make it a little longer, but I didn't want to do that. So I just left the chase on that side. I think it looked good right there. So yeah, this is it, y'all. I love it. Well, we sprayed Scotch Guard on the couch already, and yeah, we love it. It looks really good in here. this is probably all you guys will see for a while. So that's the couch. As far as this table goes, this is not exactly how it's gonna be. I do know that I'm gonna have my table books up here, but you know, I'm just playing around trying to get a feel for everything. I think I will definitely have my Chanel book. I want to order like a Tom Ford book. And then I have some other ones coming today from Amazon. I got that one from Home Goods for $25 a while ago. Because sometimes you can find like those designer table books at Home Goods, but if you see it, you have to grab it up because if somebody else see it, they gonna snatch it. They had like the little small mini ones like around Christmas time. So yeah, I got that probably like, I got this one probably like 2 years ago maybe. So, but yeah, and then that little guy is just sitting over there by itself. I probably won't leave that right there. I have something else over there, but like I said, I was just playing around with everything. But I think it looks so good in here. So now I just have to get some wall art. It's gonna be very minimal in here. I'm not gonna have like a bunch of stuff. So I love it. So happy. Yeah, so I just did a fresh set. This is that taupe that I bought the other day from Walmart. And I just did Kalila's. They gonna have to start paying me. Y'all better hit me up, I'm telling you. $35.
Period.
This is the beating heart. Okay, y'all, I received an Amazon package from one of you guys. Let's see. She said this is the only card that she had. It's a birthday card. But I'll take it. It's so cute. It's so cute. She said she used what she had. Okay. And this is from Bella, aka Zoriaz, and it says, "Hey girl, I used the card I had. Saw your video of not having a wig head. Enjoy." So she bought me this foam wig head, but I was talking about the one that you put up on the stand, like the professional wig heads, but I can still use this one. So thank you. It's the thought that counts. So thank you, girl. And then I know that I have something else in my Amazon box, because a lot of you guys have been wanting to send me a housewarming gift. Shout out to Tiana, because she sent me $50. And then I know I have another gift for one of you girls. A lot of you have been asking me for my Cash App so you can send it. So my Cash App is #Rika Cash. If you guys want to send something, you don't have to, but I get a lot of questions and people have been asking me for my Cash App because you guys want to send something over. So that's my Cash App. It is #Rika Cash. But I'll just put my wigs on this, but this isn't what I would use to make the wig, because this styrofoam stuff gets in the hair and it gets pretty messy. But I can use this to put my wigs on. So thanks, girl. We watched The Invisible Man again because Kalila wanted to watch it. This movie is so good, y'all. It started off a little slow in the beginning, but once it gets started, it's on go. So if y'all haven't seen Invisible Man, y'all should check it out because it's a really good movie. This is the polish that I have on my nails right now. It is the Sally Hansen Instant Dry. This stuff does dry pretty fast. And it is in the color Taupe Priority. So it's really cute. It looks exactly like the color that I get, the gel polish that I get when I go to the nail salon. And it's so pretty. I love this. And then I showed you guys the one that I did on Kalila's nails. This is the Beating Heart So it looks really pretty. And I am so excited to try this one. And this one is Against the Grain. So I'll be doing this one next. I need to polish my toes because my toes are still red. But yeah, this is it. Because I know you dolls love the nudes. So I messed this thumb up a little bit, but I'll fix it. But my nails look so good, y'all. Oh, I messed this little pinky up too. Oh my goodness. But yeah, my nails look really good. I love it.